skin, girl. Your skin just like pearls. Best thing in the world. I never trade you for anybody else singing.
What is up, good people? It's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new,
what it do, baby? Yeah.
If you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I have this look that I created here, which was inspired by Beyonce's song Brown Skin Girl. I was listening to it and I decided to do a makeup tutorial, or makeup look rather, that just screamed brown skin girl. And I was thinking browns, oranges, and gold, and you know, glitter for a little oomph, you know what I mean? So this is what I came up with. So enough of me rambling, let's get straight into this video. All right, so I'm gonna dip into the Zulu palette and take this orangey, like brown color. All right, so next I'm gonna go into my James Charles Morphe palette and take this color here. All right, I just dipped back into that first color. All right, next shade is No Beans. I'm just gonna focus that darker brown color in my outer corner. Alright, I'm just cutting my crease. Alright, so I'm going to use the Shayla highlighter and Boom In as a base before I place the glitter down. So I'm just going to blend out my outer edge with the same colors I placed in the crease. I'm just going to place the NYX glitter primer on my lid. So for glitter today, I'm taking this loose chunky gold glitter from Flutter by Row. Forgot the name, so. Alright, I'm gonna do me a wing with the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. For lashes today, I'm just gonna take my Country Girl Wink Lashes in Texas Tea. Right, so the eyes are pretty much done for right now. All I'm about to do is my face. I'm not really gonna talk about these products because same old, and nothing's really changed, so yeah. so this is the finished look, y'all. This has got to be one of my favorite looks that I've ever done. It is so freaking pretty. This hair is not new. This is just the Trissa wig. I decided to straighten it and it did pretty darn good. Like, look at it, and I can run my fingers through it. Yeah, but that is it for today's video. Of course, if you made it this far, then you already know, baby girl, baby boy, we're family.
Hey, auntie.
So, cousin, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.